Saturday, April 17th, 2021. Just a quick reminder, folks. If you have rebate receipts like I do here, and I have to get these out today because this is the last day I can send them off. But if you have rebate receipts from 2020 and you weren't able to get them out, contact Rebates International through the Menards website or app and let them know what the dilemma was. They'll look into it and they may issue you a rebate voucher. Okay, in my case, I sent off some rebates back in April of 2020. I never got them. So the rebates that I got after that, or the rebate receipts rather, I just didn't pay them any mind, okay? So this year I said, well, let me check into why I didn't get my rebate voucher that I sent off last year. They looked into it. They said, well, no one redeemed them, so we'll issue you a new check. So what I did after that, since I had my 2020s along with some new 2021s from this year, I sent them all off. And what they did, they issued me a second store credit here. Now, this store credit includes rebates from 2021 and 2020, okay? So if you have rebate receipts, contact Rebates International through Menards. Let them know what your issue was. Now, this is probably going to be only for 2020. I sent off rebates from 2018, 2019. They didn't honor those, but at least, you know, they honored the 2020s, and I was fine with that. So again, if you have them laying around from 2020, get the form, cut the rebate receipt, send it off, see what happens, okay? Thanks for watching. You guys take care. Have a good day. Bye. You know what, guys? I forgot to tell you that actually this voucher doesn't even have the whole amount on it that I'm owed. I was owed a total of 123 bucks. This one only has $106 on it. I have another one coming that has the other 17 on it. So again, doesn't matter if they put it all on one or split it up. It's your money. Use it whenever you want. All right.